Hey everyone, thank you for joining us today. If you want to stay up to date on all the mobile technology coming out and learn cool tips, tricks, and hidden features, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below and tap the bell to turn on post notifications so you can be alerted every time we post new videos. Today we're going to show you how to reset your Samsung Galaxy A01 back to factory settings. The first thing you'll want to do is go to the settings. Now mine is down here, but you may not have this button. So come to the top here and swipe down. In the upper right corner, click on the little settings wheel. From here, we're going to go to first Accounts and Backup. Tap on Accounts. Find your Google account. Tap on it, hit Remove Account, and remove. Now make sure you remove, if you have any other Google accounts, make sure they are all removed first. If not, you will mess up the phone when you pass it along to the next person who's going to use it. Now for the next step here, we're going to go to General Management. Tap on Reset, Factory Data Reset, and then we're going to tap Reset. And now this is the last step. After you tap this button, that's it. The phone is going to begin to reset. It's going to erase all of your data off of the phone, and then it will begin to set it up like a brand new phone. So make sure before you tap this button, you have backed up any important pictures. And you've also, again, transferred anything important off of the phone because you will have no access to it after you tap that button. Hope you guys found this video helpful. Make sure you like, favorite, and share if it was helpful. Hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more videos. Take care, and as always, have a good one.